Properties of bulk matter. Properties of
bulk matter.
bulk matter. See students, in properties of bulk matter, we are going to start first with the topic of elasticity. Question is, what is elasticity? It is the property of the material body by virtue of which, on the removal of deforming force, the body regains its original configuration, that is shape. The body regains its original configuration, that is
Shape.
Now, students, you will put one question. What is deforming force? Deforming force, it is that force which when applied on the body gets deformed, that is, there is change in its shape. You take anything, like for example, you have this, right? So I am applying the deforming force, its shape is changed. I am applying the deforming force, its shape is
Changed.
Why? Because I have applied certain force, right? Now, students, as I am applying deforming force, there is automatically a force is developed called restoring force. It is that force which comes into play when deforming force is removed. Now the question is, what makes the restoring force to develop when the deforming force was applied? To understand this, what we do is, we make one graph. We have large number of atoms of a material. See, these are large number of atoms which have shown in the circle form that of the material. They are at normal distance R0. If I increase the distance, I'll find some attractive force. If I decrease the distance, I find some, which force?
Repulsive.
Repulsive force, right? You should interact with me. We are in the live lecture, so let you be also live. Repulsive force. Now, see the graph. I am decreasing the distance. The force of repulsion is
Increasing.
increasing.
Yes.
At this distance, it is stable. It's a normal, slightly repulsive, but not effective. At this position, it is the least repulsive. It is least
Repulsive.
minus A. I'm decreasing the distance. Here they are stable. Now, if I am decreasing the distance less than R0, what happens? Repulsive force starts increasing. If I increase the distance beyond R0, attractive force comes into play. So students, the cause of elasticity is electromagnetic interaction. The cause of elasticity is electromagnetic interactions, right? So it is electromagnetic in nature. Like friction friction is electromagnetic in nature. Newton's reaction force is also the concept of electromagnetic interaction. Elastic collision is also concept of electromagnetic interactions. So elasticity is that property of the material body. On the removal of the deforming force, the body regains its original configuration, right? But within the elastic element, So, students, in the second lecture, we are going to discuss the further course of elasticity. Any question? Any doubt?
No.
All clear?
Yes.
Thank you.